In this video, I'm going to reveal 4 10K per month faceless YouTube channel ideas. And as a bonus, I'm going to reveal a channel idea that is near and dear to my heart. So make sure you watch this entire video. And if you want to learn how I can help you earn a full-time income online without a huge following on social media, without using paid ads or even a large mailing list, stay until the end of this video because I've got something special for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so in this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to reveal 4 10K per month faceless YouTube channel ideas. I actually went and did a little bit of research and found smaller channels because videos like this, they always piggyback off of larger channels. What I want to do is I want to show you some examples of smaller channels, how you can get started, how much you can make, everything that you need to know. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We take a look at my screen here. The first idea is most expensive. Now, in this example, I looked up most expensive Pokemon cards, and we can see here, there's a video from 3 years ago. It has 473,000 views, only 8,000 subscribers. And then if we look a little bit further down, this channel only has 4,000 subscribers from 2 months ago, mind you, 6,000 views. So this is something that anybody can do. And what you're gonna do is just delete just go most expensive, and then you can go through each letter of the alphabet. Now, there might be some opportunities for different ways to earn income. The most common way to earn passive income with these channels is with the YouTube Partner Program. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can be monetized by YouTube. But some of these videos offer different opportunities as well. You could potentially make money with affiliate marketing, selling your own merchandise. For example, most expensive Pokemon cards, these people might be interested in Pokemon, and so you might actually be an affiliate for different companies that sell Pokemon cards. So that might be an opportunity that you can look into as well. Sometimes people that are interested in looking up in most expensive type stuff, they might be looking for ways to make money online. So what you could do is you could put in an affiliate link to different courses, even digital products that you create yourself, and you could potentially sell them. But the opportunity is real easy. Just go most expensive and then go through each letter of the alphabet. For example, if we did most expensive Q, you can see most expensive quesadilla. You're going to do a little bit of research, do a little bit of Googling, look on social media. The answers are right in front of your face. You create the videos, you get the traffic. Now, one thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have very good thumbnails. Because this is a semi-competitive space, you need very good thumbnails in order to stand out and to get discovered on recommended or on the For You page. So number 1 is most expensive. Number 2 is actually how much does X make on YouTube. Now, this is a really big niche. A lot of people like to count other people's pockets, and so they want to try and figure out how much other people are making. For example, look at this video right here. It has 27,000 views, only 3,000 subscribers, but this is getting a lot of views. Now, there's 2 ways to do this. There's the right way and the wrong way. This video is 10 minutes long. It's the right way to do it. This video that's 4 minutes long is the wrong way to do it. You want to know what the difference is? This person right here just goes over to Social Blade and they get the information from Social Blade. This video up here actually goes into depth and talks about some of the opportunities that she might be taking advantage of. It sparks a lot of conversation. That's why there's a lot of views. There's actually a lot of arguments in this video. But this is the right way to do it. And I think there's lots of opportunity in this type of content. It's a 10-minute video, so you can actually be monetized with YouTube Partner Program, whereas this 4-minute video, you cannot be monetized. In addition, you could help people start a YouTube channel if that's what they want to do. You can provide affiliate links to like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You can also recommend the best products that they need to get started with a YouTube channel. You could sell your own course. I think this is a much better way to go. But you can see how much does, and then if we delete Tasha K like this, we can delete this, and then we can go through how much does Itchy Boots make on YouTube. And we can take a look. Once again, 43,000 subscribers, 164,000 views. Some of these videos are done poorly though, because they're only 2, 3, 4 minute videos. Look at this, 3-minute video, 3-minute video. it's difficult to get monetized or to put ads in the middle of your videos if they're less than 8 minutes long. Yes, they're getting tons of views, but they're missing out on opportunities, in my opinion, to make even more money. So if we look at this, we can see all of these videos, or most of them, are less than 8 minutes long. You make these videos 8 minutes long, you can put ads in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos and make more money. So how much does X make on YouTube? Very good opportunity, I believe. And again, you have a very good thumbnail, you can get discovered and recommended, and you can get discovered in search as well. After how much does X make on YouTube, we have how much does it cost. So if we look at this, how much does it cost to build a tiny home? How much does it cost to drive across country? But if we look at this, these are small channels. This channel, 13,000 subscribers, 15,000 views from 7 months ago. This video right here, 10,000 views, only 691 subscribers, tiny micro channels. How much does it cost to build a house? But if we look at this, how much does it cost to paint a car, for example? Once again, I think there are affiliate opportunities. You provide the paint supplies, everything that they need, you can make money. But if we look at this, you can see 3.9 thousand subscribers, 19,000 views, talking about how much does it cost. Now, because the word cost is in the video, I think this is what is considered a high CPM niche. Now, there are high CPM and low CPM niches. Low CPM niches, you need a ton of views in order to make 10K per month. High CPM niche, you don't need a ton of views. You just need to get people, it's a little bit more competitive. You just need to get people in front of your videos. But if we look at this, this one down here, how to paint a car at home, it showed up in the results here. It has 728,000 views from 2 years ago, 3,000 subscribers. So I believe that if you create content about how much does it cost, and we get rid of this, once again, we can go through each letter of the alphabet, and let's see, how much does it cost to maintain a Bugatti? Again, this is a high CPM niche, and we can create content. 14,000 views, 366 subscribers. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize this type of content, and it's relatively easy. You just do a little bit of research, maybe 10, 15 minutes worth of research, create a 10-minute video, everything that goes into maintaining a Bugatti, from maintenance to cost of tires and, the leather seats and so on, and you can make money. Now, the next one's actually kind of funny. If we look at this, who is? Now, I got to be honest with you. When people were saying, "Let's go Brandon," I had no idea what they were talking about. And so I had to go do research. What does Let's Go Brandon mean? Who is Let's Go Brandon? And you can see here that there are lots of opportunities for who is. If we look at Ahrefs, this is being searched 35 million times per month. There are over 4 million keywords, and people are just asking, who are people? So if we go to who is Pete Davidson, for example, we copy this, jump back over to YouTube, and we paste this in. Now, in my opinion, this is going to be a low CPM niche, so you're going to need lots of views. So if we look at this, who is Pete Davidson? 7,000 views, 727,000 views, 933,000 views, 72,000 views. Here's a smaller channel, 56,000 views, about who is Pete Davidson, and you can answer these questions too. What we could even do too is if we change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less, so it's going to be relatively easy for a new channel to get up and running. We could say, who is Brad Pitt dating? Let's take a look at that one. We'll copy that, paste it in right here. Who is Brad Pitt dating? Top result, 77.2 thousand views, 412,000 views about who Brad Pitt is dating. It's going to be topical, so the more up to date you are, the better. But you can see lots of opportunities. Look at this one, 8,000 subscribers, 1 million views. Celebrities flirting with Brad Pitt. Very interesting information. Okay, so those are the 4 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you could start today and start seeing success relatively quickly. This is the opportunity that I believe is near and dear to my heart. Game recaps. Yes, you could do sporting event game recaps and you could make money. Now, if we look at this, you see the NFL, you would say, Alston, you need to have millions of subscribers in order to do this. This is where you're wrong. If we look at this channel, 17,000 subscribers. They uploaded a video about the game recap, Patriots versus the Bears. The Bears dominated the Patriots from start to finish. It wasn't even a close contest. Absolute domination. I couldn't believe how dominant the Bears were over the Patriots and Mac Jones. But you can see 1.7 thousand views, and I think there's a lot of opportunity here. You simply talk about what happened in the game, and you can make money. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You could be an affiliate for the NFL Shop affiliate program. You could be an affiliate for Amazon, and you can make money because there are going to be thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people, if not millions of people, that are coming to the internet that want to recap the game. Either they're looking for a different perspective, or maybe they didn't see the game, maybe they had to work, they didn't see the whole game, so they're looking for a recap that's unbiased, that is not from the NFL, and so you can actually create this content too. Now that you know 5 YouTube channel ideas that you could start and earn 10K per month, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how you could earn a full-time income online without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads or even a huge mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next because YouTube says they will help you grow your online business.